In this video, we are going to talk about assortments, the collection of products or SKUs a retailer offers or intends to offer for sale to customers. We'll look at how you can use the assortment feature in OrderStream to confirm inventory is loaded correctly for all SKUs in your retailer's active assortment, search, view, and compare assortment SKUs with your inventory submissions, and gain visibility into the SKUs that your retailer intends to sell in their online store. As a supplier, you are constantly adding and updating your inventory in OrderStream. When a retailer decides to use the assortment feature, they upload data with the SKUs they wish to sell on CommerceHub, including data elements like model number, unit cost, and UPC. CommerceHub then compares your inventory to the retailer's uploaded data and creates an assortment of inventory that includes only those SKUs that match the retailer's rules and requirements. So how does this work with Lowe's? Lowe's only wants to see inventory in which your vendor SKU in OrderStream matches their model number, and it must match what is in the Lowe's e-catalog exactly, including any hyphens, spaces, and case usage. If your vendor SKU does not match Lowe's model number, your item will still be visible in OrderStream, but it will not be transmitted in the inventory file to Lowe's, or be included in the assortment. The assortment feature in OrderStream offers many benefits to you as a supplier. You can see the items your retailer intends to sell, giving you the data visibility you need to make sure your inventory is included in the Lowe's assortment. Note, you'll need to have authority to view assortments, inventory, and searches to perform the tasks you'll see in this training. Contact your organization's OrderStream administrator to update your permissions if necessary. The assortment feature is based on existing OrderStream search functionality. If you need a refresher on searching and exporting data in OrderStream, please see those sections of the OrderStream Basics course, or check out the Finding and Exporting Data tutorial in HubHelp. There are two ways to access assortment searches in OrderStream: from the Assortment search page under the Assortment menu, and from the Assortment summary brick on the dashboard. This brick lists 6 standard searches that we will talk about first, 4 of which apply to Lowe's. Let's start by looking at how you can confirm your inventory is loaded correctly and matches your retailer's assortment. The first search on the Assortment summary brick, Fully Matched SKUs, shows all the items that fully match your retailer's provided assortment. Navigate to the Assortment summary brick on the dashboard. Click on a number from the Number of SKUs column for the Fully Matched SKUs search to see all the SKUs that exactly match your retailer's provided assortment data. The search criteria appears at the top of the search results page. The Fully Matched SKUs table shows your results. Note that some data elements, such as vendor SKU, have 2 columns for easy comparison. One for the assortment data, the retailer's dictated version of the items, and one for the inventory data, your version of the item loaded into OrderStream. Again, Lowe's is only comparing SKU values, so the other columns listed here, such as merchant SKU, condition code, etc., are not relevant when looking at Lowe's assortment. As with other OrderStream searches, you can easily export this data. Click the Export as CSV link in the top right to export your results. Suppose you want to find your items in the Lowe's assortment that are out of stock and provide a report to your team to make sure your items are back in stock as soon as possible. The Out of Stock SKUs search in the Assortment summary brick can help you do this quickly and easily. Click the number from the Number of SKUs column in the Out of Stock SKUs search. Only the SKUs that fully match the retailer's provided assortment data and that have an inventory quantity of 0 are displayed. If an item is actually in stock, you should update your inventory quantities for that item. As before, you would export this data by clicking on the Export as CSV link to save to your computer and distribute as needed. The Partially Matched SKUs search does not apply to Lowe's. This category is relevant only when a retailer sends more than one item identifier on their assortment. Now let's see how you can gain visibility into Lowe's assortment through the SKUs not in assortment search. Again, you'll find this search in the Assortment summary brick. The SKU entries you have submitted in inventory, but that are not included in the assortment provided by Lowe's, are displayed. You should work with Lowe's on anything that is called out here. If it's something Lowe's wants to see, you will need to work with them on the normal new SKU approval process. If the item is legitimately not something that should be sold through Lowe's, work with Lowe's to determine the best course to take with these SKUs. The SKUs not in inventory search shows the SKUs that Lowe's expects to see on your inventory feed, but were not included in your inventory submission. It may be that you have not loaded the item into OrderStream. Or it may be that you are using a vendor SKU that does not match the vendor SKU in Lowe's assortment. You'll first want to check that your version of the vendor SKU is correct. Remember, even a slight difference, such as a hyphen or a space, can cause mismatches. If your version of the SKU is correct, work with your Lowe's merchandising specialist for e-catalog and GDSN changes. If your version of the SKU is incorrect, you'll need to delete the SKU and re-enter it to correct the mismatch. Just be sure to check with Lowe's before initiating any delete action. If a SKU is approved for deletion, visit Hub Help to see the Deleting a SKU tutorial and the relevant help documentation. You'll want to fix any issues around these SKUs to have them appear in the Lowe's assortment as soon as possible. Finally, the unit cost mismatches search will not apply to Lowe's, as Lowe's does not compare unit costs at this time. In addition to the standard assortment searches that we just reviewed, OrderStream also provides the Search Assortment Page functionality, where you can create custom searches of assortments. Select Search Assortment from the Assortment menu. From this page, you may select any of the existing searches or create a new search from scratch by clicking the New Assortment search link in the top right. These customized searches can be as basic or as detailed as you like. As with other searches in OrderStream, after creating a new search, you can save and access it at any time. You may also choose to share the search so that all users on your account can take advantage of it. Furthermore, you can add assortment searches as at-a-glance lines on the dashboard brick of the same name for easy access. See Hub Help and the Finding and Exporting Data in OrderStream tutorial for step-by-step instructions. So now we have seen that you can use the assortment feature in OrderStream to confirm your inventory is loaded correctly, search, view, and compare product assortment SKUs with your inventory submissions, and gain visibility into the SKUs that Lowe's intends to sell. Thanks for watching.